I'm Mr. Abhijit. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Learners. In this lecture, we are going to see preparation of alcohols from alkenes. So there are two different reactions we are considering here. One is hydration reaction and other is hydroboration oxidation reaction. Both these reactions are same, means in both these reactions, water molecule is added over the carbon-carbon double bond. There are different reagents used for preparation of alcohols. Now, what is that first hydrolysis reaction? So as you see here, this is the carbon-carbon double bond. Across this carbon-carbon double bond, there is the addition of H2O. One carbon contains the hydrogen atom and other contains the hydroxide group, that is OH group. How this alkene is converted to alkyl alcohol? So this is the question mark. There is a addition of water and other one, that is hydroboration oxidation reaction. Now this addition of water can be takes place with the help of this acid hydrolysis, and the other one, that is hydroboration oxidation, that can be achieved by BH3THF in presence of H2O2. So this is the statement for this reaction, that alkenes when reacts with H2O oblique H2SO4 or BH3THF oblique H2O2 gives alcohols. Two different reactions in which two different products are obtained. So first one, that is hydrolysis by H2O oblique H plus or H2O oblique H2SO4, that is acid hydrolysis, and second one, that is using BH3THF and H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. So by using this acid hydrolysis reaction, we are getting more substituted alcohol as a product, and this is due to Markovnikov addition. And by using this BH3THF in presence of H2O2, less substituted alcohol is obtained, and that is due to the anti-Markovnikov addition. Now, if you consider this molecule, so we will consider first product. What type of products are obtained by using this propene? So propene when reacted with water in presence of H2SO4 on heating gives this type of alcohol, and that is nothing but the more substituted alcohol. Then here is the statement for this particular reaction, that more substituted alcohol is obtained by Markovnikov's addition reaction. And the second reaction with same propene we are going to see, but there is a different reagent we are using here, that is BH3THF oblique H2O2 gives you less substituted alcohol in presence of BH3THF H2O2. This reaction is nothing but the anti-Markovnikov's addition reaction. How this hydrolysis takes place, that is how this acid hydrolysis takes place, that we will see through this mechanism. So first step is nothing but the attack of H2O oblique H plus, or you can write this like H3O plus, and there is a formation of carbocation takes place depending on the substrate. Here H2O and H2SO4 gives H3O plus and HSO4 minus. This H3O plus is nothing but the electrophile. So how this reaction takes place? Whatever the double bond is there, that is electron rich center which attacks on the hydrogen atom, and you will get this carbocation formation, and hydrogen is attached on this terminal carbon atom. So this is the carbocation, this is secondary carbocation is generated in this reaction, and we will get the water molecule. Whatever this carbocation is obtained, that is stable carbocation. In the second step, reaction of carbocation and water molecule takes place. So here, this molecule I have taken as it is, that is carbocation, stable carbocation, which reacted with the water molecule, and lone pair of water molecule attacks on this electron deficient center, that is carbocation, that is secondary carbocation. Then what happens? This water molecule is attached to this carbocation or this second number carbon atom. So this is the intermediate which is formed. So in the next step, that is in the third step, attack of base takes place to form the final product. Now here HSO4 minus, which we have seen in the last slide, so here whatever this HSO4 minus is formed, this acts as the base, and this attacks on, here if you see, this proton molecule. So it abstracts the proton from this intermediate and formation of alcohol takes place. So overall reaction, if you see across this carbon-carbon double bond, there is an addition of water molecule, and in that this OH is attached to this secondary carbon atom. So in this way product is formed. So what are the different important things that you have to remember in Markovnikov's and anti-Markovnikov's addition is nothing but this Markovnikov's addition is simple addition of water molecule, then highly substituted alcohols obtained as a major product. So this is also called as Markovnikov's rule. Then the mechanism is due to the formation of ions. So according to Markovnikov's rule, so what is the Markovnikov's rule? According to Markovnikov's rule, negative part of the substituent attached to the carbon which contains less number of hydrogen atoms, that is more substituted hydrogen atoms. This is the Markovnikov's rule. Then what is anti-Markovnikov's rule? This is exactly reverse to that of the Markovnikov's rule. So here the addition of water molecule takes place in presence of peroxide. Then less substituted alcohol is obtained as a major product. Then anti-Markovnikov's rule it is also called. Then it is also called as peroxide effect, or it is also called as Kharash effect. Then its mechanism is due to the formation of radicals. So whatever the anti-Markovnikov's addition takes place, this takes place due to formation of radicals. So these are the some reactions for you as an exercise. Write the product of the following alkenes. So alkenes when reacted with H2O oblique H plus, what is the product? Then alkene when reacted with BH3 THF oblique H2O2, what is the product? Okay, so this BH3 THF is nothing but in the form of diborane, that is B2H6. So this is the anti-Markovnikov's addition, and this is Markovnikov's addition. In this lecture we have learned alcohols from alkenes by using hydration reaction and hydroboration oxidation reaction. Thank you. If you have any queries, please post in comment section. Thank you.